Today I am discussing about the operating functionality of the operating system and what is the goals of the operating system. Now, what is the functionality of the operating system? Before going to the topic, what is meant by operating system? It is a interaction between the user and the computer. How you make it a interaction? What is meant by interaction? There is a big word here. Here in the interaction means there is a communication between the two things in a positive way. Communication between the two things in a positive way. Here what happened was, here there is a, if you add the one software, if we adding the one device to the computer, without drivers that device is not working along with the computer, because here drivers is one of the interface between the operating system and your application files. Here in the operating system, what happened was, whatever the files you have to generate, that will be compatible mode, your application will be developed. And one more point is here, whenever you are adding a computer hardware, now that will be adding to your system, that is operating system. Now after that, the compatibility, that whatever the drivers files you have to add, that file, whatever the system files will be there, the application files will be compatible with the operating system files of your computer. Then only your printer will be working out. Then after that, if it is here everything application programs, system programs means already inbuilt program in the operating system. Inbuilt program in the operating system. Inbuilt program in the operating system. Here operating system programming means that is called as a operating system file. Application programs means that is a user defined files. These two files must be compatibility is required. If no compatibility is there, automatically your printer, your hardware part, whatever the computer hardware part, not executed successfully. After that, you have to use all the users. We have to use all the user 1, user 2, user 3 up to user n. We have to use that. In that way, you have to operating system files are executed. And one more thing is, if you buy the system, if you buy any hardware system, now hardware component, whatever the thing you have to develop, in the manual itself they write down this hardware part will be compatible for the following operating system. They give the scenario like that. They give the scenario. If you see that, if you other than that operating system try to install the drivers, automatically your drivers is not applicable to that particular operating system. Here the functionality means the creation of interaction between your computer and printer. That is a basic example of your operating system. What is the goals of operating system? When you come into the goals, first one is easy to use. Easy to use. How we can easy to use? How we can easy to use?